Now I will ask this particular AI agent to search for Mr. Beast channel and then subscribe that particular channel. So for that I have given this particular prompt, search Mr. Beast channel and then subscribe. So I will run this particular AI agent. What it will do, it will first search Mr. Beast channel, and when subscribe button will be shown, it will subscribe for that particular channel. So we will wait, and here you can see it is automatically searching for Mr. Beast channel, and it clicked on search icon, and then subscriber button is showing here, and now it will try to subscribe that particular channel. So you can see that particular channel has been subscribed. Hello guys, welcome to a new video. I hope you will be doing great in your life. So yesterday I covered small agents or agentic library that was published by Hugging Face, where you can simply write 4 to 5 lines of code and you can create AI agent and you can perform various type of tasks. But there was a limitation. The limitation is that this particular AI agentic library is not able to control your browser and can perform task accordingly. So in this particular video we are going to see one more AI agent, that is Midscene.js, and this is JavaScript library, and with the help of this particular library, or you can say AI agent, you can perform various type of browser tasks. So first task, you can give a prompt in natural language and this particular AI agent will control your browser and will perform that particular task according to your requirement. And second feature is understanding UI and then response in JSON. So how this feature work, like it will look your whole UI and you want to specify or you want to extract any specific type of data, it will analyze the particular UI and it will extract data in JSON format and will give you data. So for testing this particular AI agent we are going to use this particular Chrome extension. This AI agent is available in Chrome extension. So for testing this particular AI agent we can install the Chrome extension and we can use this. First we need to open a browser and you need to type Midscene Chrome extension, and the first Chrome extension you will see on Chrome, you need to add this particular Chrome extension in your browser. After installation you will be able to see this type of interface, and in edit section you will not find any type of code here, and after that you need to set up endpoint and keys here. So how you will do that, I will let you know first. So when you will go to this particular website midscene.js.com, you will find here customize model and provider. So we are going to use Gemini 2.0 Flash. So first we will go to that particular section, like here is the documentation for using Gemini model. So you need to copy this particular code, and when you will edit this particular thing you will find this input field as blank. You need to paste here your model name and API key. So I will be using this particular model Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental. And how you will copy this particular API key. For copying this particular API key you need to go to Google AI Studio, and here you can get option of get API key, and this is my API key which I am using. You need to create your API key, so you can create your API key from here. After creating API key, you need to click on save. After saving, I will show you demo now. So first we will go with query. So in query, you need to mention what type of data you want to receive from that particular UI. Like I have opened my channel and I want to know what is my current subscriber. So what is count of subscribers? So you can see it is analyzing particular UI. Now it will extract the subscriber count, it will give as response. So you can see it gave the result as JSON format and count of subscriber is 3.49k, and you can see it is actual output. And now we will talk about action. So in action what we will do, we will clear first this input field from YouTube, and we will mention search Gen AI with Mr. Prompt and subscribe. Now this particular AI agent, first this will search a particular query, and after getting result it will subscribe to our channel. So let's wait for few minutes. It is searching now. You can see it has type. So you can see it is typing in input field Gen AI with Mr. Prompt, and then it searched, and you can see there is a subscribe option. So it will try to subscribe now. So you can see the channel has subscribed now. So you can also use this particular AI agent by Chrome extension. We will meet in some next video. Till then, bye bye.